cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Just now I just fried a golden fried rice, but I'm going to eat it together with a very simple steamed fish today. And this is not the usual fish that you all would normally go and steam it, because usually we will use white fish, white meat fish for steaming, like grouper and snapper, things like that. But today this is actually a ikan cencaru, one kind of mackerel fish with a very thick skin. Usually it is more commonly used for ikan sumbat because of the thick skin. I bought two actually the other day, so I already used one for ikan sumbat, but this one I'm going to steam it, and I will be making a very special, nice sourish calamansi sauce to eat it with this together. So after we wash the fish, then we put few pieces of ginger on the below and put few pieces ginger on top. After which we are going to marinate it with a bit of salt, yeah. And I do make two slits, yeah. I make two slits on the sides of the fish so that it's easier to be steamed. And after that, we're just going to send it to the steamer. All right, my steamer has been preheated. Ooh, how come there's two trays inside? Let me take out the first tray. I think my wife used it for steaming muffin yesterday. Take it out, and we shall put in the fish in the middle, and I will steam this for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. And let's go and make our sauce. So this is how I'm going to make the sauce. I have some bird eye chili. Oh, by the way, this bird eye chili looks very special, right? Somehow my wife's auntie brought it from all the way from KK. She planted it herself. So it is one type of bird eye chili, very fragrant, and it has a very unique crispy texture. So, and then I'm going to mix it with some calamansi, yeah, to give it the sourish flavor. So first of all, you are going to remove the heads. Crispy bird eye chili. You can use any chili that you like. There's no rules in Appa Kitchen, remember. Next thing, put in the plate. Pull backward a bit. I already washed the chili, by the way. Yeah, I already washed the chili. Cut it and put it straight into the sauce, the saucer, together with the seeds, so there's more. It has a little bit more kick. Wow, I'm not sure if you can hear the sound, the crispy sound. Can you hear it? It has a very unique texture. Then it's our, oh, let me wash this. Our calamansi. Let me add in few peels or the skin, yeah, a little bit of the skin. Add inside. Then I'll squeeze in the sauce. You can remove the seeds if you like. Up to you. It's not done yet, even though it looks really nice right now. Next thing, I'm going to give it some light soy sauce and a little bit of fish sauce. There's my steamed fish sauce, dipping sauce, yeah, to eat with the steamed fish. Simple, isn't it? All right, the steamed fish is ready. Going to open the lid to allow the steam to release first. Then we shall take out the fish. Right, look at the beautiful whitish color. Later I will let you see the detail. Alright, I've removed the fishy water, and this is the sauce. And ooh, there you go. Here's my very simple Steam cencaru. Yeah, you don't really see people steam cencaru outside. But there's no rules in Appa kitchen, and there shouldn't be any rule in your kitchen as well. That's how simple a home cooking can be. All right. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.